Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I have a massive Kmart haul. So for the past few weeks, I have gone nuts at Kmart. Then again, who doesn't, right? Kmart is Wonderland for adults, basically. So I've got a lot of stuff I don't need, and then a lot of stuff I do need. So that's alright. But let's get into this giant haul. So the first thing I got was for my future house because I am building a house, and a lot of this stuff is actually for the house. So if you like homewares, you're gonna love this video. But the first thing I got was this giant garment, like drying rack thing, basically to dry my clothes on, you know. So yeah, I think it was $20-something. I'm not 100% sure. I have to find a receipt somewhere in all of this stuff. Hopefully that stays standing. I got it was on sale for $10, and I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet in the new house, but obviously because the house is not finished. But when it is, I guess I'll show you in a tour. But I got this round shelf. Maybe it'd be good in like a bathroom or a toilet or something. But yeah, it was on sale for $10. So I was like, you coming with me, girl? Like, you a bargain. Next, I got some of these box of 30 hangers. They're like the really like soft fuzzy ones that don't let your clothes slip. So I got like 3 boxes. So I got like 90 hangers, and then I got a box for my mum as well. So yeah, I'm gonna need something to hang my clothes on. So I thought these were an amazing deal, and I've heard nothing but great things about them. So yeah, I was so excited when they were actually in stock because they were never in stock. And then I saw a whole wall of them. I was like, yay. So I got a lot of hangers. I got this bamboo like serving tray. I think it was like $10, but I plan on doing a little DIY with it, and I'm going to like sand it back and paint it white. I feel like it's gonna be great like on an ottoman to like put drinks, remotes, magazines, whatever you want to put on it. So yeah, I'm gonna paint that one white because I don't like the wood tones. Like personally, I just don't love wood tones. I'm more of a clean cut sort of white person. But yeah, it definitely needs sanding back because it gave me splinters when I picked it up in the store, and then all of them, I was like, oh, I'll find a different one. They all gave me splinters, and I was like, great. But yeah, definitely gonna do some DIY with that one. Next, I got 2 toilet roll holders. These are pretty simple. I think they're only a couple bucks, but I got 2 of these to put toilet paper on because they are toilet paper holders. So yeah, I hadn't really seen them in this sort of design before, and I wasn't really sure what to do, and I didn't want like those wooden weave baskets that, you know, the that everyone seems to put their rolls in. Again, because I'm not a wood person, but I'm more of a chrome and white sort of person, so I'm going to put my toilet paper on these things. Because, you know, I've got to put it somewhere. I got 3 bunches of the white roses. The bunches were $5 each. I got 3 of them. That's what they look like. I'm just, when I have them in the house, probably just untie them. But I got a vase from Spotlight, and which, guys, came out so much better than Spotlight. Spotlight gives me a headache, and the only thing I walked out of there was this vase. But this vase I have, and I've got the white roses from Kmart, so it's gonna look great on my dining table. Next, I got this pillow. I think this got this one a while ago, but it's like a rectangle grey pillow with buttons in it. It's so soft. I'm gonna put it on my bed. I think it's so cute. The pattern, the texture. It's just gonna go in the middle of the bed. But yeah, I have all my bed stuff and no bed. For the bed, I got 2 of these ones. They're just white with like ruffles in them. And yeah, I'm excited to put this one in the middle of the 2 of those. I feel like that would look really cute. Pillows are expensive, guys. I didn't realize how expensive they were until, because I haven't shopped for them in a while, and I was like, damn, I'm gonna go Kmart because pillows are expensive. Speaking of the pillow theme, I've got 2 European pillowcases. I got them in the rosy pink color. Those are going to be 2 European pillows sitting behind those white ones and the grey one, because I've got a grey quilt cover. So yeah, I feel like this will add a little splash of colour. So I got 2 of those, and I figured why get good quality if you're not even going to be sleeping on them. So I thought, why don't I just get the Kmart ones? Like, they're a pretty low thread count, they're only $2.25, but you know, my actual sheets and pillows that I will be sleeping on will be like 1,200 count. So you know, this is good for decoration. Why spend a lot of money on decoration if you're not even going to be using them for practicality purposes? So yeah, get some cheap pillowcases. They're just going to be sitting on the bed or sitting on the floor, so you know. Next, I got a hair turban, because I always wrap my hair up in a towel and it's so big and heavy, and I seen this at Kmart and it was a couple bucks, and I'm just like, I will try a hair turban and I'll see how that one goes, because I really need one. And it was pink and it was soft. It was mine. Next on the home front, I got this duster. I think it was a couple dollars, but like, it detaches and you can put this in the washing machine, and I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna be dusting in my house because new builds get dusty. So I'm gonna need this. Next, I got 2 packets of face wipes. I don't usually buy them from Kmart. I think these were only $1.50 each. And it's got 30 in it. But the ones that I usually buy at the store closed down, so I can't buy them anymore. And I'm so disappointed. I know that was $2 for 25. This is $1.50 for 30. I haven't tried these yet, so I can't comment on the quality. But I love the ones I've been using my whole life, and I can't get them anymore, and I'm so disappointed. So I may as well try the Kmart ones. They better be good, because I don't know what I'm going to do otherwise. I'm not spending $6 on a packet of something from Priceline. So wish me luck with these ones, and if you've tried them, let me know if you like them or not, in terms of how wet they are, how good they take off your makeup and all that sort of stuff. Give me a little review on these, because I hope I didn't waste my money on them. Pillowcase, so I think it was only $2. I got the drying mat. So basically you lay this down underneath the rack with the plates and the bowls and the stuff that is drying if you're going to hand wash them, so your countertops are not covered in water. So yeah, I got it. It was great. It's going to match the house. So I don't even have the rack that's supposed to sit on top of this, but it's $2. I saw it, I was like, grab it in the trolley, you know, as it is, and then you end up with a full trolley. So next, I got a spatula. It was 75 cents. That is why I bought it, because it was 75 cents. So it's pretty like flimsy plastic, but you know, it's chrome, it'll go with the kitchen. It was 75 cents. Why not, right? I'll use it, I'm sure. Next, I got this snood scarf in a blush pink colour, and I love snood scarves. They're my favourite type of scarf, and I have not got one in this colour, and when I saw it and it was the last one left, I was like, you're in my trolley before anyone else's, because I'm not letting you get away. So I thought this one was really cute. I definitely don't have one in this colour, so when I saw it, I was like, yes, my holy saviour. So it's gonna go great this winter. Next, I got some earrings. They're only $4, and they're like these little black tassel ones. I thought they were really cute. I got some pink ones from Kmart. That'll be my last Kmart haul. I'll make sure I link that one for you. But yeah, I thought these were super cute and $4, and I don't have any black ones or any in this style either. So they were mine, and they're only $4. So what have I got to lose? And we're gonna pay $20 at like Colette or Lovisa or something for something, when these are $4, you know? A pair of shoes on sale. These were only $6, and they were just these nude ballet slippers with these little gold eyelets, and I don't have any nude shoes, so I was like, I'll take those. They are only like $6. So I got a size 9. I'm not usually a size 9. I'm usually a size 8, but they didn't have a size 8, and I was like, oh, that's all right, I'll get them anyway. They are a little bit loose, but not so loose that I can't get away with it. So hopefully they'll be right, and if they stretch out, well, I had enough use out of something that was only $6. So, you know, for the win, guys. Then I got this shirt. It was just $9. It's like a polka dot chiffon tank top. Thought it'd be nice and businessy under like a little blazer or something. It would go well with basically anything. It is just black polka dots. Black and polka dots. So yeah, I thought that was really cute. It's just a little tank top. So yeah, that'll go with a lot of stuff that I already own. Last but not certainly least, I got another top. And this one is like a high neck top. Was only $12, but it basically got these little blue flowers on it. And it's got like an elastic neck. I thought that was really cute under like a little blazer or something. So yeah, I got that shirt. And that is everything. That is hundreds of dollars worth of Kmart merchandise. So I am definitely on a spending ban from now on. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing all of the crap I purchased from Kmart recently. Definitely didn't need a lot of this stuff, but I saw it and I liked it, so I got it. Because Kmart is full of great deals. So yeah, if you liked the video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys!